how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Liz and this is the Liz Nzilani channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, please remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment down below for me. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm back with another video. Niko na calendar hapa guys, hii ni calendar, don't mind it. Najua mnashangaa ni nini inatokea hapo. It's a calendar, okay? So guys, it's another day ya vlog with you guys. Do you love my two adventures? I know basically it's not that much, but vitu zinaenda kukuja back to back and I am so excited. Okay? So, I'm starting this video kwa nyumba. First of all, the day I'm shooting this video is on Thursday. I am hoping mtaiona kesho on Friday because now I'm headed out. Siezi edit and then I'll edit to siku nikiweza and then I post it for you guys tomorrow on Friday. So I'm shooting on Thursday but mtaiona on Friday. So guys, today it's another exciting day. I am excited for this video. Nimekuwa nikitaka kufanya what I'm about to do today for a very long time since I started my channel, and it's finally here after the long wait. They say patience pays, I guess. So I'm going to show you my outfit. I'm wearing all black and then I'm gonna wear some sunglasses because jua yo. Anyway guys, so I'm headed out in a few. I'm going to the studio. I'm gonna show you. This is where basically I don't want to say too much, but we are headed to the studio. I'm waiting for you guys muione. We have a project coming with my friend. She's called Lana. Shout out to you, babe. I know it's on a video. So we have a project coming. I have a phone call in Alia, but I'm gonna call them back. Pole, I'll call. Yeah, we have a podcast coming. If you saw, I posted it on my IG. But yeah, so where we are recording your podcast is where I am going. It's a coincidence because I am working on two things at the same time. Oh guys, nilipoteza ile ka tripod stand, the small one, ile mini vlogging. I don't know where I left it because there's a certain place, there's a certain company I do marketing for them, so inabidi unaingia lives, una record videos and everything. So I don't know if I misplaced it uko ama ni kwa studio ama ni kwa nyumba, but basically I don't have it now. That's why I struggle. So anyway, bear with me. So long story short, let me switch my hand. Yo. So basically sishike camera. Basically hiyo studio yenye tunafanyia podcast ndo bado yenye naenda today, and I'm going with another company, I&R Models. I am the niko part of the marketing department, deputy head of marketing. Okay, so my work is basically to get content for social media, to make sure wanakaa vizuri, to do well for the pages, you know. It's like sort of your content basically guys, social media marketing. Search it out. Anyway, full story short, I&R Models work on their live podcast. I know, crazy, right? And then it's also the same studio. Me and my friend Lorna, we will be shooting our podcast, which we're about to launch to you guys. So I'm excited for that. So right now we are headed to that studio. I'm excited. So before tuchelewe as it is, wacha tuende, wacha tutoke. Okay? See you. I'm gonna show you the next step. Bye. There's also drafting. Just like single zote you have to do pattern. Wait, ngoja, calm down. Okay. Tuko nani alisema calligraph alisema kwa ngoma yake ya Yego is doing 240 but still got the feet on the pedal. Sasa wewe toka hiyo 240 kilometers per hour. Kuja kwa kwenye tuko wapi? Guys, tuko 40 kilometers per hour. Kuja hapa. Sasa pole mdogo. Okay.
Umesema nini? Umesema styling, drafting, kuna kitu umesema. Hiyo basi. Fafanua zaidi.
So in drafting, like you must have your design, yeah. And here, I would like to say that if you want anything designing, anything, I'm available. Hey, I'm available.